Woo! Good hot hump day to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, it's warm, y'all. What I'd like to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over there, it's gonna be something. I thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is, Lord, I'm gonna do a couple of updates. It's gonna be a short video, so give me a second and that's what we finna do. All right, brothers and sisters, let's get crack-a-lacking. Maters are all gone, burnt up. Had to get rid of them, pulled all the maters. Maybe we can get some pole beans in here, because I love pole beans. There's a shot of the corn, and it is growing. Got a lot of corn going on here. A bunch of it, tasseling all over the place. But what is probably not gonna happen is the three sisters. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the three sisters or the second sister in on time. Tried to do it last weekend, rain. Maybe I can try to do it this weekend. I'm gonna give it a shot. If it doesn't rain, it's just gonna be stupid hot. But hey, it is what it is, and it's just one of them things. Maybe I can get the second sister in, which is the pole beans. Maybe I can get those in there so they can get to growing. Let us proceed. But another thing I wanted to show you is that right there. Okay, what you got right there, Dan? Well, I have a buddy of mine. He is a cattle farmer, has a lot of cattle, does a lot of hay bale and stuff like that. Last time I saw him, he was like, Dan, I know you're into container gardening. Do you need any containers? I'm like, I can always use containers. But what these are right here are, these are lick buckets. That's what they call them. These things are normally filled with minerals that the cows or the livestock lick on, and these things, when they are filled with the minerals, are stupid heavy, a couple of 100 pounds. But these things, he doesn't use them once the minerals have been completely eaten out of these things. It's just like, I throw them away. I was like, heck no, save them, because I use them. These will make mighty fine container gardens, or these will make real good vessels to use for container gardening. I don't know what size they are. I want to say these might be 40, maybe 50 gallon containers. I don't know. Might be 35s. I don't know. But the cool thing about it is he gave me the lids as well. They sit on there. Good to go, like Flojo. So I guess what I'm wanting to say is, if y'all have some friends that are into cattle or raise cattle or have cattle, ask them what they do with their mineral buckets. If they do indeed give their cattle, dang, horsefly, if they do indeed give their cattle minerals, supplements. What a cool way to do some container gardening in. All right, and lastly, I just got to show you this, because you know what? When it rains, it's sure enough pours. Especially over here in East Central Mississippi at the home of the sticks. Can you see the difference? Mowed, not mowed. Look at those big old ruts going in my lawn. And you can see them, they just spots all over the place. There's a really good one right there. Well, old Dan, the master grass cutter, is on his 0 turn, getting his grass cut on, and I kept noticing, why is my deck dragging? It's like part of the lawn is getting cut closer to the ground than the other side. Come to find out, flat tar. Brand new tar. Matter of fact, that's a brand new $80 tar. See, I always say I'm doing stuff. Yeah, I am, but Lord have mercy, I was like, what in the heck for? So, needless to say, grass cutting came to a complete halt. Had to get that tar. Lord have mercy, I didn't think lawnmower tars were $80. And they just high. Yeah, but anyways, setbacks, but that's okay. Hopefully today, when the sun go down just a little bit more, I'll be able to get my grass cutting on and get, oh Lord, a bunch of this grass cut. So again, just a couple of things I wanted to share with you, just to let you know what's going on over here at the home in the sticks. Yeah, heat, grass cutting, things of that nature. Again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Wednesday. It's the middle of the week, y'all. That weekend's coming, sure enough. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Like fixing zero-turn tires. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing enough, I always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.